This is Bowman. Pick your color number 12. 2 bucks. Good luck. I have a fire alarm going off in the background. I think it's upstairs actually. If we are having any connection issues, it's definitely not on our side of the internet. But everything is recorded, guys. Oh, Steven, I did get you the NIL Super Auto and Non in number 13, and then I just took the points back from there. It does, Corey, it does. This case has had some nice color in it. I've seen some nice color. Good luck, you guys. Kelly's Fisher on the blue X Factor autograph to 150. Bronny. Ooh. Trey Kaufman ran on a true orange. Dylan Peter. Grady Dick on the refractor auto. Hero. So Peterson to Utah. Dibansa to the Wizards. Sellers. Caleb Wilson went Bulls, right? Chicago. Yo, what's up, DDC? They look doomed. You know who looks even more doomed? Did you see the Bucks lineup? The Bucks got nobody. The Bucks got Kyle Kuzma. The Bucks lineup looks decimated. They do. All right, there we go. Bucks 2. Tyson Daniels. Kobe Sanders. Oh my God! I swear it's always Cam Whitmore. Oh, got some really nice color coming. True purple of Fleming. Orange Shimmer NIL autograph. Brandon Garrison. Brandon Garrison. That great color in this case. We still haven't had a big auto. True blue, but with this case has had some crazy color. It's always Cam Whitmore. And that was the break. I'll add in number 14 right after this, guys, and 13 will hit the screen. What's up, Ed? I'm sorry, Ed. Trying to change it for you, though. Trying to. recap. Alright, let's do your Blez Online back giveaway. You guys can use code HAMA for 20% off your first purchase. Oh, gotta log in. 1 second, guys. Didn't notice I got logged out. Okay, there we go. Alright, good luck, guys. Oh, did they both really? I actually didn't know that. Remember, guys, if this isn't a grail, we will not ship it. You'll get 90% back in BlezBucks credits. Here we go. It is Grayson Waller. I'm Grayson Waller. Grayson Allen. Pretty sure we've hit that before. Might not have been the same number, but all right. Somebody's getting $9 in BlezBucks credits. Good luck. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final. The Fuchsia NIL spot gets $9. Sunshine. Congrats, guys.